The Russian Empire was the largest contiguous empire in world history, covering an area of more than 22 million square kilometers at its peak in the late 19th century. It spanned 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and North America. The Russian Empire was ruled by a series of czars, emperors, starting with Ivan IV, Ivan the Terrible, in 1547 and ending with Nicholas II in 1917. The czars were known for their absolute power and autocratic rule, which led to widespread social and political unrest among the Russian people. The Russian Empire was also known for its cultural and artistic achievements, including literature, music, and art. Some of the most famous Russian writers of all time, such as Leo Tolstoy and Fyodor Dostoevsky, lived and worked during the empire's reign. The empire was also home to renowned composers, such as Tchaikovsky and Rachmaninoff, and artists like Ivan Aivazovsky and Ilya Repin. The Russian Empire was home to a diverse population of ethnic groups, including Russians, Ukrainians, Poles, Tatars, Kazakhs, and many others.